Today's survival showdown, honey badger versus man. Yes, that little furry menace from the viral videos versus the biggest threat to women everywhere. But hold up, don't let that size fool you. Let's get into the wild facts and see who's really the bigger threat. You ever met a creature that literally don't give a damn? That's the honey badger. Let's break it down. The honey badger weighs 20 to 35 pounds, is 10 to 12 inches tall at the shoulder, and is found across Africa, Southwest Asia, and India. Fun fact, National Geographic once called them the most fearless animal in the world. Life lesson, don't sleep on the small ones. That quiet friend in the corner might be the one with hands and receipts. Honey badgers can survive bites from venomous snakes like cobras and vipers. They pass out for a minute, wake up like whatever, and keep it pushing. Life lesson, take your L, bounce back and try again. That's resilience. These animals can climb trees, dig under fences, unlock gates, and open cages. Zookeepers call them Houdini in fur. Life lesson, get you a skill set so tight even cages can't hold you. Honey badgers have been documented chasing off lions, hyenas, and buffaloes alone. One was seen biting the nuts off a lion. Life lesson, be the kind of woman a man has to rethink his life after meeting. All right, but how many people these badgers actually run up on? Let's get factual, not fearful. Documented human attacks? Extremely rare. When they do happen, it's usually because the badger was cornered, injured, or harassed. In rural Africa, they're more likely to snatch chickens or raid honeycombs than fight humans. Key takeaway, honey badgers want all the smoke, but only if you blow it first. Now let's cross the wild kingdom into something scarier. Modern dating apps and the patriarchy. The gag is, when we do speak up about it, folks act like we're overreacting or have trust issues. Nah, baby, we got survival instincts. There's a difference. We're not being dramatic, we're being smart. Too many of us have stories, or sisters with stories, or group chats full of receipts. We're not out here trying to villainize men. We're just tired of ignoring the signs, brushing off gut feelings, and shrinking ourselves to keep the peace. We deserve to feel safe and loved, not one or the other. So let's settle this. You're stuck in a forest with one option. No weapons, no phone, no backup. Who you choosing, honey badger or man? Drop your answer in the comments, like this video, and subscribe. And remember, when life gets wild, be like the honey badger, unbothered, unstoppable, and low-key venom-proof. Until next time, stay dangerous, stay daring, and stay beautiful. Love you, sis.